What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have just a really quick video that's going to be an unboxing and first impression of a product that was sent to me free for review from Zhiyun, and this is the Zhiyun Smooth X, and this is basically a smartphone 2-axis gimbal slash selfie stick. So it's a pretty interesting product. It's available in black and white. I believe I have the black version here, and this retails for only $60 right now, and you can get it on Amazon, and I'll have a link down below in the description to make that really easy to find if you do want to purchase this. But I'm going to have some time to play around with this for a little bit, and I'll give you guys a full review a little bit later. But right now, I just want to show you guys what's included in the Essential Combo, which is the one I have here, and just give you my first impressions of it. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the box for the Smooth X. Like I said before, it comes in two colors. So this is obviously the black version right here, but it's also available in white. And it's a very small package. I don't know if that's all that's included in the Essential Combo. Looks like a tripod, the gimbal, and a case. But let's pop it open and let's check it out. So I already cut the little tab right here, but I have not actually removed anything. So here we have the thing. Let's pop that out. So here we have a nice case for it. We got there's the Smooth X branding, so that's real nice. It's like a hard pouch case with a zipper, a strap. So let's open it up. Okay, so we got some pieces inside here. So let's see what this stuff is all about. So we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. This is a really short cable. I'm assuming this is what you would use to charge it up. I'm assuming it has a rechargeable battery. I don't actually know a whole lot about this product, to be quite honest with you. So here we have a tripod. That's real nice. Nice wide tripod we can sit out there. So we'll put that to the side. We have the gimbal right there. We'll pop that in a second. Let's see what comes inside here. Usual extra pieces we don't keep around. So we have some information right there, warranty card. Here we have the manual, looks like, in a ton of different languages. And so this does actually also work with an app from Zhiyun. And I'll definitely be downloading that and testing that out when I am reviewing this and testing this product. So that's the case right there. I'll go ahead and put the case out of the way. That's a pretty nice hard pouch. So everything has pockets and everything to hold on to stuff, and you put cables. There's even some extra room in here too, but you can put more things if you needed to stick stuff in there. So it's a pretty nice pouch. So let's put the pouch out of the way and let's take the gimbal out. All right, so here we have some instructions on how to exactly take it apart. So this is rotate that 180, snap it out. So let me go ahead and attempt this. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. Make sure I do this correctly. So it says to rotate the base, okay, outwards, and then you snap it. Oh, it's supposed to be like this. Snap it downwards. Ew. So pull it out of the way. Okay, so you pull it out of the way and then you rotate it around. Okay, so it's basically kind of using like a friction type of thing to where, so you're going to protect the buttons, you face those inwards, and you rotate this around and you pull it out a little bit and then it kind of pinches in there. So this is how it stays when it's in the case. And this is actually really tiny. It's lightweight, it's very small. This is a gray, this is definitely not black. This looks for sure gray. It has a real nice smooth texture to it too. So that's something you could easily keep in your backpack, your purse, or whatever. That's pretty nice. So let me see, you pop it out, slide it around like so, and you face the buttons outwards, and that like keeps it, that makes it loose once you snap it out because it kind of pops into place like that. And then you have the gripper here, and this is for the actual smartphone itself. Let me see to make sure there's nothing else I'm missing. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's basically how you store it away. So you rotate it inwards, and you rotate this, and then you kind of bend it out like that, and it just holds into place. Pretty cool design. And so this, whoa, is actually telescopic, and that's pretty long. That's about 2 feet, maybe? 2 feet, so it's not a crazy long distance type of selfie stick like other selfie sticks you've probably seen before, but that's still pretty long. I mean, especially for a gimbal. I've never seen a gimbal with a neck that long on it. So tight and wide, we have the thumbstick here, nice smooth texture. Nice to click through the buttons here, so that's record and that's M, manual, maybe, I don't know. I believe those are probably all functions that work with through the app, and also probably help you control the gimbal itself, the movements and such. There's the USB Type-C port right there to charge this up. So I don't know what the battery life is on this, but I'll figure that out soon enough. So on the bottom we have the screw mount there, tripod thread, and so that's what you can use to attach it to the base of the tripod. So you do have a tripod here that helps you kind of keep it straight, and you can probably do some stuff with it, some creative stuff. I'm really looking forward to playing around with this a little bit to see what kind of interesting stuff I can do, especially with the whole selfie stick part of it. Because, I mean, if you use a normal gimbal, normally when you want to film yourself, it's going to be pretty big. And smartphone gimbals, for the most part, aren't like the most feature rich when it comes to lots of features and things that it's able to, be able to do. But this looks like it might be something kind of cool to be able to be kind of creative with and do some different things. And I believe it will pivot. Yes, you can do it vertical, horizontal. But so far, the quality of the product, the physical aspects of it, it looks like pretty well built. Everything feels real solid. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel. It's all made of plastic, so it is lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. So which I actually kind of like that a lot. And I mean, obviously, you wouldn't want this to be heavy when you have to be carrying this around and holding it and shooting video with it. So this is just, like I said, guys, just the unboxing. I just want to show you guys what was included with the kit itself and all the pieces with it. So it looks like it is the combo kit. Just does come with the hard case, the tripod, and obviously the cable to charge up the device, and this Smooth X itself. But I look forward to playing around and testing this out. So I'm gonna try to do some kind of cool videos with this. I might even try doing some stuff like jogging with it and running, and seeing how smooth you could do while you're like actually running with it. Besides that, because I think most people are probably just gonna be walking around with this because it is like a selfie stick. But I'm kind of be putting it through its paces and seeing what it can hold up against, because I'm kind of curious to kind of do some cool action stuff with it like that. So we'll see what I'm able to pull off with it. But like I said, I'll have a review of this very soon once I've had a chance to play around with it a little bit. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said, I'll have the full review coming up very soon. If you guys want to check out some of my other videos, I have 2 other clips over here you can click on. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new videos as they drop on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.